Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your activation code for Ubisoft. First, let's start by checking your email. After purchasing a game, you should receive an email containing your activation code. This code is typically a string of 16 or 19 alphanumeric characters. Remember, some modern Ubisoft titles might activate directly to your account, bypassing the need for a manual key. If you're using the Ubisoft Connect PC application, finding your code is straightforward. Launch the client and log in. Head to your game library, select the specific game, and look for the Properties section. There, you should find an option to display your activation key. Alternatively, you can manually activate a key by selecting Key Activation from your profile menu. Many games are purchased through other digital storefronts like Steam. To find your code there, open your Steam library, right-click the Ubisoft game, and select Manage. You should then see an option for CD keys. Keep in mind this option might only appear if the game is already installed or currently downloading. For the smoothest experience, always use the same email address for both your Steam and Ubisoft accounts. If you followed these steps and still can't locate your activation code, don't worry. First, double-check your email's spam or junk folders. Next, verify your purchase history on the platform where you bought the game. If the code remains elusive, reach out to Ubisoft support. Be sure to provide your order number and the game title. This information will greatly assist them in helping you retrieve your code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.